Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove OneDrive from File Explorer. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the Start menu or to File Explorer and then search for it. Then once you open it, you're gonna be right here. Once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find Home, Gallery, OneDrive, and so on. Click on OneDrive. And as you can see guys, right here, if you right click on it, here you're gonna find all of the options. Here you can copy it, expand it, open a new tab, open a new window, pin to quick access, pin to stars, and so on. You're gonna find the option to always keep it on the device, free up space, and here you're gonna find OneDrive. If you click on it, here you're gonna find View Online, Settings, and here you're gonna find Folder Color. As you can see guys, right here you want to find the option to remove it from File Explorer. So in order to do that, you need to go to your settings. And then once you do that, go ahead and search for apps. Right here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. And here, as you can see guys, you're going to find apps. Click on it. Then right here, you're going to find installed apps, advanced app settings, default apps, offline maps, apps for websites, video playback, and here you're going to find startup. So go ahead and click on installed apps. And then once you do that right here, you're going to find the list that includes all of the installed apps on your computer. So once you're here, go ahead and search for OneDrive, or you can just type it in the search bar right here. Just type OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive like this. Then click on these three dots and then click on uninstall. Once you click on uninstall, OneDrive will be totally removed from your device and you won't find it in the File Explorer. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.